Alright, so we got our bags from the AHR Tactical Show. Let's see what all we got. So they're the Norwalk 20-liter backpacks. Very nice looking Veto bag. Probably now I'm an office boy. Going to be my new main bag. All the Velcro sponsor patches that I can put on my other tactical bag. So I know for my other tactical bag, this is the sunglass pocket. And we do have sunglasses. We got a fidget spinner. Oh, National Compressor. Coaster bottle opener. That's cool. Limited HVAC plaque. Notepad. Very nice. Oh, nice storage for the pens. Of course, we got several pens. Oh yeah, nice measuring tape top. I have this one in yellow. I love it. Aluminum HVAC. Nice. Oh, nice. Some cutter bits. Those are always good to have. A pen. Viper. Oh, wait a second. Bye-bye stains. That may be a Tide stick for my cleaning. Stain remover. Awesome. Oh yeah. Flashlight magnetic tool. These things are sick. You always hide so much stuff in these bags. You gotta check every pocket. Oh, we got a jump drive, bottle opener, and a nice short keychain. Awesome. Oh, I got my wife's heels from yesterday. Of course, the show shirt. Nice, good water bottle. We'll bust that out today for the show. Some pamphlets and offers. Ooh, very nice. Oh, a nice pint glass. We'll take that to the show with us. Tape measure, always good to have. Ooh, new lunch bag. Flame sensor cleaner, got one of those, love them. Furnace Pro Switch, got one of those, love them. Both great products. Nice little hand towel. Oh, this is probably a survival pack. What we got? Some information, some stickers, plop plop fizz fizz. Some emergency, I need that the way I'm sounding. Some gum, stickers and mitts, epic. Oh, Sockies. Gotta love that. Oh, I think I found the sticker stash. Ooh, magnifying glass for reading for old fellers. Whole pile of stickers. Look at that. Those are awesome. Oh, yeah. These I love. These are for holding your bits. Those work great. And we just got the big computer pocket in the back left. And we got, oh yeah, special edition. Gotta love it. And that's what's in there. Not a bad haul. But now it's time to head to the show.